Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about KDP and how you can improve your listing to dramatically skyrocket your sales and attract more readers. We'll cover A+ content with Canva, setting up an amazing Amazon author page, and the power of reviews. And at the end, I'll share 2 tips that can dramatically set you apart from your competitors. So let's get started. First up, A+ content. This is where you can really make your book stand out with more detail and more images and show off what's inside the actual book. And guess what? You can easily create this all with Canva. Here's an example of someone who is using A+ content to really show off their book's features. We'll head over to Canva and get started. You'll start by choosing a template in Canva that resonates with your book's theme. Add high quality images of your book, including engaging graphics and some text overlays to really highlight the key features and testimonials. Remember, the goal here is to tell a story that's visually appealing, and you'll also want something that's going to captivate your potential readers. When I start designing my A+ content, I start off with the hero image showing the book in play. So I go and create a mock-up over on Placeit, and I will upload an image of the cover of my book, and then I'll take that image and download it and take it back over to Canva. You're going to want to choose somebody that's representative of someone in your target audience or demographic of your book, so that way it will appeal to them when they're looking at the listing. Next up, since we can't really show more images of the interior pages of our book, this is where I like to highlight the interior images. So I will go and download each of the interior pages and upload them into your listing. I like to highlight each of the features that are listed in that page and anything else that's really unique. I always make sure to include an image of each different type of page. And if you're like me and you decided to do a brand, the last image I usually reserve for my brand logo. You get to A+ content by going to KDP, clicking on marketing, scrolling down to see A+ content, choose a marketplace, I usually choose .com, click on manage content. From here, you will say start creating. Give it a content name and add your modules. After you have created all of your modules, you will click Next, apply ASINs, and after you apply your ASIN, you'll submit it for review. I know this was a little bit of an overview, so if you feel like you want more of an in-depth tutorial, check out my next video, which is step-by-step creating A+ content with Canva. Next up is creating an Amazon author page. This is the Authors Hub on Amazon, and it's crucial for building a connection with your readers. So you'll go back into KDP, you'll go back into your marketing page, and in the Author Central section, you'll choose Marketplace, where you would like to create your author page in the drop-down menu. Then you'll click Manage Author Pages, and you're going to be redirected to Author Central, where you'll be asked to join, and this is all for free, and you'll update all of this information and to sign up. Ensure your author bio is compelling and personal. Add a professional photo, link your social media, and don't forget to include any relevant author achievements. This page isn't just a bio, it's a space for showcasing your author brand. Once you save all this information, it will appear in your listing right down here. If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel, where I'll be posting weekly tips for small business and passive income. Next up, leveraging reviews. Reviews can make or break your book. Encourage readers to leave honest feedback. You can do this through social media, an email newsletter, or even include it in the graphics inside your book, usually towards the end. Here are my 2 pro tips. Since reviews help make or break your book, it's important to get them. So head over to Reddit or Facebook, where you can find a niche community and share your link for your book with them. If somebody's interested, offer to send them a free copy in exchange for their honest review. Another place that you can go to get reviews, which is paid, is called Join Brands. Join Brands is a paid service where you can have somebody review your Amazon book. Here's my second pro tip. Buy a copy of the book and take a video of you flipping through the pages. After you're done, upload it to your listing under the reviews. Or if you're an Amazon affiliate, go to your Amazon storefront and upload it there. When someone can see the inside of your book, they're more likely to purchase it. That wraps up our 3 strategies for elevating your KDP listing. Each step is crucial, but remember, leveraging reviews can really set your listing apart. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Check out my other videos, such as the beginner guide for KDP with Canva, or a list of other passive income ideas. Have a question, or you want to share your experience with KDP? Just drop a comment down below, and thanks for watching.